The music industry to me is the community of people that help musicians and are the backbone of music. It's behind the scenes of that you're doing either sound or levels or audio, or you're promoting an artist. So it's really just that behind the scenes of a musician is the best way to describe it. I'm actually a double concentration with tech and business, and I'm also an entrepreneurship minor in the business college. So the tech side is really cool. It's very hands-on, which I love about this program. So I did some stuff in Philly where I shadowed some engineers there, and some stuff like on campus. I actually mixed the show at Landmark last semester. And then the business side, it's planning and more promoting with social media. I always did the sound for my dance studio growing up, and I was really good at it, but I just did it as a hobby. One day, my parents were like, why don't you look into doing this as a career? I actually came to an open house, and I really liked our program, and I applied right away. I've worked concerts since my freshman year. I do a lot of the sound for the live streams and just setting up for concerts. And I can help assist students here at Wilson if they have any questions or comments or concerns. The thing I enjoy the most with the major is probably just how much I've gotten out of it. I feel like I have that one-on-one connection with a lot of my professors where they can help us get gigs, they can help us get real life experience, and they'll give me really good advice that would help me in the future when I'm applying for jobs. I feel like I've gotten so much hands-on experience that other schools with this kind of major was that they didn't get access to the studio until the third or fourth year. I got to be in the studio right away. I love it because I feel like I'm making the most of my 4 years here. It's so great that we have all these opportunities to be involved here at Rowan, where you get that community aspect and you're not just a number. I feel like I'm actually making a difference by being involved in so many different things here.